Welcome back. Today we have a quick documenting project. It's a design build for the tilting tablet stand. This is the tablet sitting on the stand in full upright position. It can also be angled back quite a distance. Notice that the center bolt is a 1/4-20 carriage bolt and the center tube is a piece of leftover pipe from a Rubbermaid Closet Organizer kit. This project is a remix of sorts from a smartphone stand that I created for my wife. None of the stands that she saw at the store would fit over her Tech 21 rubber protector, so we made her one. Almost a year later, we got her mother a tablet for Christmas. She wants to be able to type using a keyboard in front of the tablet. This should be perfect. I'd like to say that everything starts as a hand-drawn sketch, and I'm sure this did too, but that was about a year ago and I don't have the physical drawing and I can't find any image anywhere on the hard drive, so we'll just say this started as a hand drawing. A nice illustration at that. This sketch is the part that holds the tablet. Notice the two concentric rings in the middle. The small one is for the bolt hole and the larger one is a recession that hides the edge of the pipe. On this sketch we have the layout for the base. It connects the tablet holder, allowing it to rotate. In this view we have both parts stacked. This is the right side of the stand. I'll turn off the base so we can see the stand better. Although the design of the stand was copied from a part I originally created in Tinkercad, it's really a whole new creation. Only rough measurements were used from the old one. It looks similar, but the tablet is different in every dimension in the phone. Since the stand is two mirror-imaged parts, I decided to design the unit using a single sketch. The outlines are changed using extrude features. Going in the positive direction makes a right-hand part, and going in the negative direction makes a left-handed part. You can see a left-handed part becoming a right-handed part. Clicking here goes into the part, and this saves it as an STL for 3D printing. If you'd like to make this project yourself, or you just want to see more images, you can click down below in the description for my link to the Thingiverse files. Well, that's about all for today. Thanks for watching.